Model 1994 Toyota Hiace Custom 2.8 Automatic 4x4 Imported Full Camper Conversion. Body white camper. Mileage 106,940. Engine 2800 cc. Transmission automatic AWD. Mechanical summary: starts great, runs great, pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in average condition with some minor wear and tear. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. This camper is equipped with all essentials, from a kitchen sink to a bed, making it a perfect home away from home for your next trip across Europe or to the English coast. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, fridge, bed, electric hookup, sink, tow hitch. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.